Hi, hello everyone, it's me again, Mariel, and welcome to my channel. So for this video, we are going to discuss all about the algebraic symbols and expressions and its terminologies. So for some reason, maraming grade 6 pataas ang medyo nalilito pa rin dito. Mga grade 7 and above, ganon. And this lesson is for grade 7. Sa grade 7 talaga nag-start yung ganitong lesson, okay? So, ito ay mga terminologies lamang para paano ba natin mas madaling matatandaan kung ano ba ang tawag dito, ano ba ang tawag dito, ano ba ang tawag dito, and yung lahat ng tawag na yon or terminologies is nasa iisang algebraic expressions, okay? First and foremost, kailangan alam muna natin kung ano ba yung algebraic expression. When we say algebraic expression, it is pinagsama-samang mga integers, constants, variables, and operations, meaning to say merong plus, merong minus, which is siya yung tinatawag nating algebraic expression. And yung mga binanggit kong symbols like constant and variable and marami pang iba is yun yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon, yung mga terminologies nila, okay? Enable for you para mas madali nyong matandaan kung ano ba yung mga tawag sa kanila, okay? So, meron tayong dalawang example. Example number 1 is an algebraic equation. Why is it an equation? Kasi meron siyang equal sign. So, ang tawag sa kanya is algebraic equation, okay? So, example number 2, we have algebraic expression. So, expression lang to kasi wala siyang equal, okay? So, kapag may equal na equation, kapag wala, expression pa lang, okay? So, the most commonly used letters na ginagamit sa algebra is X, Y, A, and B. So, marami yan, mga formulas na ginagamitan ng mga letters. And it is para i-represent kung ano ba yung mga terms sa algebraic expression. Ayan na nga, mas pinadami na natin yung example. So for our examples, we have 4x minus 7 equal 5, 5a plus 6, 8y, 5x squared plus 3x minus 5, okay? So, remember na sinabi ko na kanina na ito ay algebraic equation and these are algebraic expression. Okay, so simulan natin sa term. So, ang term is any algebraic expression separated from another algebraic expression by a plus or a minus sign. So, meron tayong tinatawag na term. Ito, 5a, first term. Ito, second term. Ito yung mga tinatawag nating term, okay? Ayan. Kapag merong operation na nagse-separate sa kanila. So, ito yung terms na tinatawag, okay? Dito, term 1, term 2, term 3. So, yun yung tinatawag na mga terms. And meron tayong monomial, binomial, and trinomial. When we say monomial, isa lang yung term niya, which is ito. Ito yung monomial. When we say binomial, meron dalawang term sa algebraic expression. Ito, dalawang term, 1 and 2. And when we say trinomial, merong tatlong term. Ito siya. 1, 2, and 3. 3 terms ang trinomial, okay? So, pinasimple na lang natin. And always remember na kapag sinabi nating term, sineseparate sila ng operations, plus, minus. So, yun yung sinasabi nating term, okay? So, kapag, for example, 5a. So, itong 5a, one term lang to kasi wala naman silang operation, no? Itong 6, 5a and 6, two terms na to kasi nag-separate sila with a plus sign. So, ganun lamang kasimple ang term. So, for the next symbol, we have a variable. A variable is a symbol that represent an unknown number. So, when we say variable, sila naman yung mga letters na ginagamit in an algebraic expression. Like, algebraic equation na to. So, ang ating variable dito is itong x. Siya lang yung letter dyan eh. So, siya yung variable natin. Okay? Dito naman sa 5a plus 6, si a ang ating variable. Siya lang yung letter doon. Okay? And dito naman sa 8y, of course, ang ating variable ay si y. Alright? Yan. Variable is y. And dito naman sa 5x squared plus 3x minus 5, itong x na to, pwede siyang variable pwede din siyang base. Bakit siya tinatawaging base? Kasi pag-uusapan natin mamaya yung exponent, okay? Ito, meron siyang exponent of 2. So, pwede siyang base, pwede siyang variable. And, meron pa tayong isang variable, which is itong x, okay? Ayan, sila yung mga variable. It represent an unknown number or wala pa siyang value. So, tandaan na kapag nakita yung mga letters sa algebraic expression or equation, yon ang tinatawag nating variable. Alright? And for our next symbol, we have the numerical coefficient. When we say numerical coefficient, from the word itself, numerical, it is the numerical factor of a term or yung pinaka-number sa ating mga terms, okay? So, dito sa 4x minus 7 is equal to 5, ang ating numerical coefficient dito is itong 4. Yan, we have the numerical coefficient. And that's it. Siya lang yung ating numerical coefficient kasi applicable lang siya sa term na may kasamang variable. Ibig sabihin, magka-partner sila palagi, okay? So, kapag merong numerical coefficient, merong variable sa isang term, okay? Like ito nga, 4x. So, yung numerical coefficient nakasama ng variable. Palagi silang magkasama. And itong dalawa na to, or yung mga mag-isa lang na number, meron tayong tawag dyan. Later on, di-discuss natin, okay? So, dito naman sa 5a plus 6, alin dito ang numerical coefficient? So, we have 5 as numerical coefficient. Okay? Bakit? Kasi kasama niya si a, and si a ay variable. Remember, palaging magkasama si numerical coefficient at si variable. So, dito naman, of course, alam na natin na ang 8 is the numerical coefficient. Okay? And, of course, dito sa ating example number 2, we have 5x squared plus 3x minus 5. So, ang ating numerical coefficient dito is itong 5 numerical coefficient and itong ating 3. Sila yung mga numerical coefficient. Alright? So, remember, ayan no, kahit dalawa na term to, first term, second term, parehas silang merong numerical coefficient kasi parehas din silang merong variable. Alright? And for the next symbol, we have the constant term. When we say constant term, it is a term without a variable. A term without a variable. Dito sa 4x minus 7 equal to 5, ang ating term na walang variable, alin dito? Si 7 and 5. Meaning to say, sila yung tinatawag nating constant. Diba? Kasi, yun yung term na walang variable. No. And, dito naman sa 5a plus 6, alin ba yung walang kasamang variable? Diba? Itong 6. So, yan yung ating tinatawag na constant term. Okay? Dito sa 8y, wala tayong constant term kasi we have the numerical coefficient and the variable. So, hindi na natin siya hanapan pa ng constant term. So, for the next one, we have 5x squared plus 3x minus 5. So, alin ba dito yung term na walang variable? Si 5, diba? So, siya yung ating constant. And, ganun lang kasimpleng tandaan kung ano ba ang algebraic expression, algebraic equation, variable, term, constant term, and numerical coefficient. So for the next symbol, we have the exponent. When we say exponent, it tells how many times the base is to multiply to itself. So dito marami ding nalilito. So when we say exponent, wag kayo malilito. Ito yung nagsasabi kung ilang beses natin imumultiply si x sa kanyang sarili. And dito sa ating x to the third power or x raised to 3 or x cube, si x ang tinatawag nating base. Yan. Base. And si 3, ito, yung tinatawag nating exponent. Alright? And ano nga ba yung sinasabi ni exponent? It tells how many times we are going to multiply the base sa kanyang sarili. So, kung ang exponent natin ay 3, edi 3 times natin imumultiply si x. Like x times x times x. 1, 2, 3. Yan yung sinasabi ng ating exponent. Okay? So, moving on to the next example, 2 raised to 3, or 2 cube, or 2 raised to the third power. So, we have 2 as our base. Ayan, siya yung ating base. And 3 as our exponent. Okay? So, huwag kayong malilito dyan. And, since itong exponent natin ay 3, so, ibig sabihin, 3 beses nating imumultiply itong base sa kanyang sarili. So, we have 2 times 2 times 2, and the answer will be 2 times 2 is 4. Yan. And 4 times 2 is 8. So, the answer is 8. So, ganun lamang kasimple ang lesson na ito. Okay? So, I guess you have learned something from me in this video. And sana ay naipaliwanag ko ng maayos kung ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng algebraic symbols, expressions, equations, and its terminologies. So, ito ay mahalagang matandaan kasi mas marami pa kayong pagdadaan ng lessons, mga formulas sa algebra na kailangan alam nyo yung mga terms na ito. Okay? Please continue to support my YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this to your friends. So I guess that would be all. God bless everyone.